5 reasons to go see a chiropractor after a car accident. Number 1, we address the hidden injuries. Even minor accidents can cause injuries like whiplash, which may not show symptoms immediately. Chiropractors specialize in detecting and treating these underlying issues before they worsen. Number 2, relieve pain naturally without the use of drugs or surgeries. Chiropractic care reduces pain by realigning the spine, improving joint mobility, and addressing soft tissue damage without relying on medications. What we're looking for are subluxations in the spine that can pinch or irritate the nerves causing you this pain. We're going to restore mobility. Injuries from a car accident can cause stiffness and restricted movement. Chiropractic adjustments help restore flexibility and range of motion, speeding up the recovery. Number 4, we're going to prevent long-term complications. Untreated injuries can lead to chronic pain, arthritis, or other issues. Chiropractic care promotes healing, reducing the risk of long-term complications. Number 5, we support insurance and legal claims. I've been working with attorneys and claim adjusters for over 25 years, providing thorough documentations for your injuries and treatment, which can be crucial for insurance or legal claims related to your accident. So, prioritizing chiropractic care after an accident ensures a holistic approach to healing and helps you get back to your daily life as quickly and as safely as possible. If you have any questions, give us a call at the office at 847-546-4220. We'll help you with any questions with your symptoms. If you have any legal issues that you want to discuss prior to coming in, we'll be happy to help out. Talk to you soon.